So we have a cash flow plan that includes this secured grant, and we are quite confident again that we can deliver data, partnership, and capital efficiency for 2026.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Genflow Biosciences CEO, Dr Eric Leire. Eric, very good to speak with you. This €4 million award from Wallonia region is non-dilutive. How much freedom does that give you as you push GF1002, your lead gene therapy candidate, forward?
Yes, we're quite happy with this secured grant. The timing may be disappointing from some shareholders, but I would like to point out that the disbursement of the fund is a standard administrative process, and we will not announce the 2026 priority if we could not execute on them. The May scenario for this first payment is what we plan for our cash flow. And again, we're very confident that we can deliver on those future catalysts for 26 in that worst case scenario of May. So we have a cash flow plan that includes this secured grant, and we're quite confident again that we can deliver data, partnership, and capital efficiency for 2026.
Eric, MASH is a crowded space. What makes GF1002 stand out from what investors may already know?
MASH is huge unmet need. First of this unmet need has been addressed by GLP-1 and product from Madrigal for early stage, but there's still nothing for late stage of the disease. And late stage is when you face hepatocarcinoma or liver transplantation, not scenarios that are quite appealing. So this is one of the key programs for 2026. We're not spreading thin. We are focusing on programs that create short-term value. MASH is one of them. Ophthalmology, glaucoma is one of them. And of course, the dog study is also our third priority for 2026.
Eric, the dog study is a bit different and eye-catching. What should people look out for when the first data lands in early 2026?
2026 is very important. We've been very happy with the fact that we were able to conduct such a study. Never been done. A study on aged dog, naive to therapies, that's blinded, randomized. So with very strong scientific standard, will be a first one in terms of longevity. Not only we will bring clinical data in aging biology that differentiate us from other longevity companies, but that could trigger a deal with animal health companies within 2026. That's in terms of non-diluting finding much more important than a 4 million grant when you see everything is relative.
Eric, with partnerships clearly a priority, what does a good collaboration look like for Genflow over the next year?
Yes, 26 is all about data, partnerships, and capital efficiency. By capital efficiency, I mean shareholder friendly. Partnership mostly is the possibility to bring non-dilutive cash within the company in part of our pipeline where we don't add value. Dog study is a typical example. Obviously, we're not an animal health companies, and there's multiple companies, animal health, that will do a far better job in commercializing this product and bringing to the market to the pets owners faster, more efficiently than we can do. No reason for us to move that product. Would be very expensive to move when we don't have any kind of added value, special expertise. We were crucial in creating this clinical trial. No one else than us was able to do it. We've done it. It's time to pass the baton and receive some non-diluting cash. And I'm not talking about 4 million. I'm talking much more.
Eric, it sounds like a very exciting year ahead for Genflow. I hope you'll continue to keep us updated with your progress.
Thank you very much.
That's Dr. Eric Leire, the CEO of Genflow Biosciences.